Here is one tip when putting down this vinyl. It's tempting to put it up and then pull the paper on the back. But what's going to happen if you do that? First, you're going to leave too much, and then it's going to be hard to control your vinyl. But also, you're going to waste a lot of vinyl. So you can use a lot of these pieces. This is the right rear quarter panel. Here is the wheel well. That's a really big piece. You could use that somewhere else. Bumper, for example, in this car is like 3 different pieces, and that can go on there. So what I would recommend is put your vinyl up, stick it on a corner, make sure you have full coverage all around, and over here make sure that it comes all the way back here, and then I would just leave just a few inches on each side, and I'll cut other pieces. I'm gonna cut this off over here. You can leave enough so you can pull and control it, but the rest of it, just cut it off and then save that piece. Otherwise, you're going to be running out of vinyl pretty quick, and you're going to need a lot more than you think. So here, I'm just looking behind there, and I'm leaving plenty. You see the line there. From here, it goes up there. I'm going to cut here. We just want to be careful so we don't cut on the tire there. But okay. And the same thing, I go all the way over here, make sure you get good coverage, and then cut that piece off. So that's one tip that just realized after doing a few panels, that it's easier to just kind of pull the paper on the back and think, you know, just get going with it. But by doing this, you can save a lot of paper, and you also make it a lot easier to work. Over here, when you stretch this, it's a lot easier to pull here than to pull all the way down here. So that's another tip for you.